Good morning, welcome to the ADS Securities Markets Update. Beginning with the Asian session today, the markets were waiting for the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes, which came in with no big change. The bank tone remains the same since the past few meetings, and saying that the rates are likely to remain stable. However, the bank reiterated that the Aussie dollar remains above most fundamental estimates. Yesterday's the Aussie bounced slightly from its 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 0.8983, reaching as high as 0.9054 so far. However, the bounce is likely to remain limited also below 0.9080s. The outlook remains bearish on the short and the medium term. A breakthrough 0.90 again today is likely to lead to further push to further selling pressures towards 0.8920s. As for the European session today, there are a collection of key economic figures who will be released from the UK, Germany, and the Eurozone, which is likely to have a notable impact. Beginning with the UK, all eyes will be headed toward the inflation figures today. The year-over-year CPI is anticipated to ease back slightly to 1.5% in August, down from 1.6% in July, which would be the lowest reading in 2 months or since May, and the second monthly decline in a row. However, the core CPI may remain stable at 1.8%. In Germany, the ZEW economic sentiment is expected to decline for the 9th month in a row toward 5.2 in September, down from 8.6 in August, which would be also the lowest reading since November of 2012. The current situation index is also expected to decline for the 3rd month in a row toward 40 in September, down from 44.3 in August, which would be also the lowest reading or the lowest level since December of last year. In the Eurozone, the ZEW economic sentiment also may decline for the 3rd month in a row toward 21.3 in September, down from 23.7 in August, which also would be the lowest reading since December of 2012. As for the US session today, few economic figures will be released from Canada and the US, which may also have a notable impact on the market. Beginning with Canada, the manufacturing sales is expected to rise by 1.1% in July, comparing to a rise of 0.6% in June, which would be the 3rd monthly increase in a row and the highest monthly increase in 2 months. In the US, all eyes will be on the producer prices. The PPI may rise by 0.1% in August, comparing to a rise of the same rate in July, while the core PPI also may rise by 0.1% in August, comparing to a rise of 0.2% in July. Finally, the TIC long-term purchases may rise toward or by 24.3 billion in July after a decline of $18.7 billion in June. Despite these figures across the day, the impact is likely to be short-lived, as all eyes will be headed toward the FOMC decision and the Scottish referendum later this week. That is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.